Thank you for joining my beauty channel. Sundie K Beauty.
Charm D.
So basically we're going to attempt to do Kylie's half skull face with the eyeshadow.
She's a makeup artist. The expectations versus the reality.
And Kylie's eyes are very vibrant with some sort of like fall Halloween colors going on. So just get a little bit on your brush, not a whole lot. That's good. And then you start out by just putting on the lid.
On the whole lid?
Well, don't go past your
crease.
Because we're going to blend up.
You're going to blend it in.
So this is what you're supposed to look like.
Okay, yeah, I'm not that great at makeup. But I'm trying. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Okay.
So push it in.
Okay.
And then lift and push. You're just pushing in instead of wiping.
Okay.
So we'll go in with Eden, which is like this peachy
fall color.
So dab it, tap it off, and then we're just gonna go in the crease. I'm just tapping it.
Okay. Oh my gosh, makeup is way harder than what I would think.
So this is a brown. So go back in where you started at the very crease, and that's repeat brown. Now this is like a dark purple, and I'm gonna place it right here in the corner, right there, other side. Take your first brush you use for your white base, which is like a flat concealer brush. A little bit of white, we're gonna cover up the lid. Now for you, it's gonna be a little different, so just watch me first, because my lid is really small.
You know you're a professional. I didn't even got to the other eye. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I'm over here tired. Hold on. Girl, bye. That's a lot of work.
So I start by outlining my brows, and this brow starts different than this brow, so I make them even. And then I have to create a tail that doesn't exist.
Expectations versus reality.
Look alright from afar, but you get up close and be like, hell no, girl.
So guys, we haven't even told you guys how we met and everything. So we've been friends since the kindergarten, and she relocated to Atlanta when she was how old?
Like 15.
Like 15. And I moved out here 8 years ago. We've been buddies, kicking it ever since. I started my YouTube channel, which is Charm D, about 3 years ago, and I kept telling her, like, you gotta do this channel. So make sure that y'all subscribe to her channel, because she is really good at makeup, and she does eyelashes, she does it all. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to both of our channels. But yeah, that's a little backstory about us. And we're from Cleveland, Ohio, but now we live in Atlanta. So yeah.
Whoa, whoa, go Browns.
Go Browns. They've been winning too, y'all.
We are going to do the highlights of the skull.
Y'all love this foundation, though. I'm gonna have to give me some of this. Shout out to James Charles for this video. This is the first time, like, I feel like I'm actually making progress with the makeup tutorial.
Let me see this.
Yes, enough for me, dog. Okay. No, still a no.
You can do it.
Girl, but the one you did look all vibrant and mine look all dead.
To your defense, we are dead.
You gotta watch this movie on Netflix called My Teacher, My Obsession, or My Obsession, My Teacher. Netflix, girl, that movie was crazy. It was good, though. I mean, it's definitely the best I've done for myself, so.
Go do
I'm about to eat my birthday in a little bit, y'all.
it.
November 16th.
See my highlight popping. Oh, we cute and stuff.
Oh, that's cute. I'm a baby. Wah, wah, wah. If I ain't had on wearing